Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the different rules for degree change of adjectives or adverbs in case of word, only word, not in sentence. I have given lots of examples here. First look at the first example. Positive, comparative, superlative. Cold, colder, coldest. Maximum adjectives or adverbs which are monosyllabic, that means which have only one syllable, these adjectives or adverbs take er in comparative and est in superlative. That means maximum adjectives or adverbs which are monosyllabic, that means which have only one syllable, they take er in comparative and est in superlative. This is the first rule. Thereafter, rule number 2, brave, braver, bravest. If the adjective or adverb is monosyllabic, that means if the adjective or adverb is of one syllable and ends in e, then only r is added to form comparative and only st is added to form superlative. This is rule number 2. Now next rule, busy, busier, busiest. Look here, this is rule number 3, and in rule number 3 we can say that if the adjective or adverb is monosyllabic, that means if the adjective or adverb has only one syllable and the adjective or adverb ends in y, and before that y there is one consonant, like s, p, any consonant, only then y is changed to I, thereafter er is added to make comparative, and to form superlative y is changed to I and est is added. This is rule number 3. Now rule number 4, grey, grayer, greyest. Here the rule is that if the adjective or adverb is monosyllabic, that means if the adjective or adverb consists of only one syllable and the adjective or adverb ends in y, but before that y there is one vowel. Vowel means a, e, vowel means a, e, I, o, u. Before that y there is one vowel, that means a, e, I, o, u, any one. In that case only er is added to make comparative, just like grayer, and only est is added to make superlative, just like greyest, and in that case y is not changed to I. This is rule number 4. Thereafter next rule, hot, hotter, hottest. Here the rule is that if the adjective or adverb is monosyllabic, that means if the adjective or adverb consists of only one syllable and if the adjective or adverb ends in one consonant, and before that consonant there is one vowel. Vowel means a, e, I, o, u, any one. Only in that case the last consonant will be doubled, and thereafter er will be added to form comparative, and thereafter er will be added to form comparative, just like hotter. And similarly, the last consonant will be doubled, and thereafter est will be added to form superlative, just like hottest. This is rule number 5. And thereafter rule number 6, thick, thicker, thickest. That means if the adjective or adverb is monosyllabic, that means if the adjective or adverb has only one syllable, and if the adjective or adverb ends in double consonant, that means not only one consonant, two consonant is there, CK. If the adjective or adverb ends in two consonant, and before the two consonants, if there is vowel or not vowel, no problem. But if the adjective or adverb ends in two consonant, just like here CK, in that case only ER is added to make comparative, and EST, only EST is added to make superlative, just like thick, thicker, thickest. This is rule number 6. Thereafter, next rule, cool, cooler, coolest. Here also the adjective is monosyllabic, or the adjective has only one syllable, and the adjective ends in consonant, single consonant. But before the consonant, if there is more than one vowel, that means if there is two vowels, then only ER is added to make comparative, and EST is added to make superlative, just like cool, cooler, coolest. This is rule number 7. And now rule number 8, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Look here, beautiful. Here, beautiful. 3 syllables are there. That means these words are trisyllabic. That means if the adjective or adverb has more than one syllable, that means if the adjective or adverb has 2 or more than 2 syllables, in that case more is added before that adjective or adverb to make it comparative, and most is added before that adjective or adverb to make it superlative. In this way we can change degree for adjective or adverbs in case of words.